Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve the event ID error code 10. A TCG command has returned an error, and it just explains the error, and then there's parameter codes under there. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I'd recommend doing would be to open up the start menu, type in Troubleshoot. Best result should come back with Troubleshoot settings listed right above System Settings. Go ahead and left click on that. Select additional troubleshooters on the right panel here. Just go ahead and left click on that. And then select Windows Update, resolve problems that are prevented from updating Windows, and go ahead and select Run the Troubleshooter. Okay, so you can see it did resolve some issues here. I'd recommend going ahead and closing out of here and then restarting your device and see if that has resolved the problem. Now, one further thing you can try here if you close out of here would be to open up the start menu and type in Bitlocker. Best result should come back with Manage Bitlocker. Go ahead and left click on that. And if Bitlocker is turned on, you may want to turn off Bitlocker for whichever drive or system you're having the problem with. I know you might want to re-enable it, but just for the purpose of this video, you might want to just turn it off and then attempt to run the application, whatever task scheduler or whatever task you were attempting to run or execute, and then see if that was the issue, which it certainly is possible. I wouldn't be showing it in this tutorial if it wasn't. One further thing you can try here too, I mean, there's just other things we can go through down the list, would be to close out of here and open up the start menu, search Device Manager, go ahead and open that up. You want to go expand the disk drives, go ahead and double click on that, and then whatever disk is listed under here, go ahead and right click on it and select Update Driver. Go ahead and select Browse My Computer for drivers, and then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Go ahead and select that. Select Next, give it a moment here, and hopefully when you click on Close, go ahead and restart your computer, and then hopefully I should have been able to resolve the problem. Like I said, you might need to restart your computer in between some of these steps, so go ahead and select that. If I didn't say that before, then I'm saying it now. And obviously you just want to make sure you closed out of any programs before you did that. But like I said, pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope that one of these methods was able to help you out, and as always, thanks for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.